65% to 75% marks enough. No need to get 90%, 99%, 80%. Enough is 60 to 75. This is the ticket for entering into campus recruitment drives. You can show your show. You can show your talent. 70% is the distinction for BTech. Invent a lamp to give light. Nobody told invent a lamp. They invented, after that persons are using. The people are using the lamp is universally available. At this moment, in America, England, London, if you go anywhere, the students are sitting in the classes, they are reading, they are practicing, they are learning. At this moment, you are also sitting in the Java. In India, Java is different. If you go for America, Java is different. No, it is universally. Oracle, SQL. Myself. My name is Reddaiah. I am from EAPCET department. I am working as a student. Now I am working as a EAPCET in Reddaiah Engineering in Viswam Engineering college, Madanapalle. You are on first BTech, EC and English students, I think. Now, what are the opportunities for EAPCET students and EC students, not for CSE students? Yesterday I told you what are the opportunities for CSE students. Now I will explain what are the opportunities for core branch students. Core branches are three. One is civil, mechanical, and civil. These are the main branches which are from ancient days onwards. From the ancient days onwards, in the sense civil, the human civilization starts from civil. This civil branch at the earlier stage of human, what they are not in houses, they are in plants. After that, caves. After that, they constructed houses. Is it right? The construction and all belongs to this civil engineering. Why I am introducing these three branches? After that, from these branches, those branches are evolved. That is, those are again different branches. Mechanical, the civilization again starts from wheel. Olden days, the persons are moving by foot, walking, wherever you want to. If you see, in earlier days, the old persons, in the year 1800 onwards, if you see, the persons are walking. It takes more time to walk. After that, they invented a wheel. The invention of wheel starts from this one, mechanical. The wheel, now it moves to electric wheel. Now it moves to car wheel. The wheel and food. Food also important for that. But food, we are not just food technology. We want to discuss about food technology. Okay. After that, in ancient days, the human uses lamps by using kerosene, by using petrol, or by using diesel. Kerosene, you know that in ancient days, while your parents are studying, at that moment they are under lamp. They are under lamp. Yes. They are under lamp. They are studying. If you observe your forefathers, then they are under street lights. They study because the electricity is not available for some villages also. They are under street lights. They studied. After that, your parents have studied. After that, you are studying. They know the value of education. That's why they are sending to you here. They know the value of education. That's why they are sending to you here to study BTech. Okay. Electrical current is invented. After that, lamp is invented. After that, evolvement is happening. The total revolution depends on engineering, actually. Not only engineering, in food also. Food revolutions, nowadays we are eating means due to food revolution. In olden days, if you made a crop for 1 acre, it gives only 10 pastas only. Then that is not sufficient for across the India. Then food revolution is came. we don't want to food revolution of this because we are technically we are moving towards technical. We are explaining. Basically, these are the three branches which explains any engineering. Okay, this is related to construction, this is related to wheels, vehicles, and this is related to electricity. Simply electricity. With the invention of lamp, the Thomas Alva Edison failed for 10,000 times to invent one lamp. Is it right? 10,000 times. He found that with 10,000 times, in 10,000 ways, we can't find a lamp. We can't construct a lamp. We can't work a lamp. We can't do a work lamp under 10,000 times. After that, he invented lamp. Now we are using that. Nobody told Thomas Alva Edison invent a lamp to give light. Nobody told. Nobody told invent a lamp fan. They invented. After that, persons are using. The people are using the fan. Anybody told that person invent a fan that will be useful for everywhere? If you go for Crompton Cruise company, Havells company, LG fans, all this we are utilizing. Initially, who is invented lamp? You know. Who is invented fan? You don't know. Who invented the fan? Who invented bicycle? Who invented bicycle? Who invented bicycle? Macmillan invented bicycle. The lamp invented by Thomas Alva Edison. Okay, these are the three main branches related to engineering. If you invented like lamp or this, you know, but the technical advancement is made easier the person to live. The technical advancement without AC, nowadays no persons are sitting in assembly. You can see. No, without AC in Madanapalle, we cannot live. But if you go for Nellore or if you go for Guntur, we can't live in summer season. In Madanapalle, we can live without AC lifelong. No need of that. Fans also we are switched off nowadays. Now, due to wind. But if you go for Guntur district, AC is required. That is due to technical advancement. Okay. Normally, all the branches, from these branches, some branches are involved. With this, some subjects, electrical and electronics, the branches involved. ECE, electronics and communication engineering. After that, in this, from this again CSE involved. Some computer science subjects, this all involved. These are the mainly the branches how they involve. If you go for 1900, some engineers are studying basically this one. If you go for search on internet, who is the Microsoft CEO? Who is the Microsoft? Is the software company which is the biggest company across the world. The CEO of Microsoft is Satya Nadella, who is from Anandpur district. He studied BTech in. If you search internet, you can open your mobile and search what is the education qualification of Satya Nadella. You can search IIT. He studied BTech or BE. He studied BTech or BE in which branch? In ancient days, I told you the branches are these three only. He studied Satya Nadella, who is like Microsoft CEO. Under Microsoft CEO, so many software employees are working. Sure. Is it right? He is the chief executive officer of Microsoft. If you go for Google CEO, also Sundar Pichai. He is from India. Microsoft CEO also from India. The Indians are more working in nature, that's why they become the CEOs of different companies. Not only those, then these students, you are this student or this student or this student, whatever it is, there is a common job after completion of is software. Common job for all. Software engineering job. In software, not only after completion of CSE or ECE, they won't get software job directly. In the first year, what we are learning, second year, third year, final year, it is not software courses. We are not studying the software courses. Okay, whatever, do the CSE also, ECE also. Software courses is requirement. Suppose if it is a Python, what we are studying here, the basics are only we are studying. The basics, if you study the C, C++ and Java, basics only in BTech. After completion of engineering, we have to go for definitely go for the course is required. If you go for ETL developer or Informatica developer, some your brothers may be working on Informatica developer. Extract, transform, load, ETL developer. This subject will not be there in BTech. Extract, transform, load or Informatica. It is one of the software company which is located in US, Informatica. Across the world, globally, there are 500 branches here. In Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. Across the world, there are so many branches. But main branch is in US, Informatica. This requires data warehousing concepts and Oracle. Oracle is the subject we are studying. Suppose for the EEE student or ECE student, for both ECE and EEE student, in second year you will study Python programming. In second year you will study Python programming in the second year. But that subject is basics for software. If you go for such a second year student, second year syllabus or in any syllabus, second year ECE and EEE syllabus, if you see Python programming will be for CS also. That means for CSE students can go for only software. There is no option for them to study to go for core branches, or if you want to go for mobile company, mobile manufacturing units are there in City, Nellore. There is no option for CSE students to go and work. These have only software. The only option for CSE student is software. But ECE student and EEE student, ECE and EEE, both will go to software also. Because they are basics, they are learning basics. The software companies does not need whether you studied CSE or CEC or EEE or mechanical or civil, they don't want. They don't want your talent. They want your talent. If you go for Cognizant, it is a software company. Cognizant talent accession recognition resources are there. Those will identify the persons who are well knowledge. Irrespective of branch, they will recruit. They will recruit the persons or students coming BTech or MTech. Okay. They want only talent. They don't want the subject knowledge. They don't want their physical strength. They don't want either male or female. But required data is, suppose one team, some teams are there in software. Those teams may be different branches. One of the person is came from CSE, one person may be come from ECE, one person may be come from mechanical. They don't want to see the background, their background, what they studied. BTech is enough. BTech, if they want which branch you studied, we have to tell. No need to tell the branch, actual thing is. Software, what is the real scenario happening in software field, you can see. The BSc students, BSc computer students also go for software. EEE students and ECE students or CSE students. In CSE again, artificial intelligence, so many branches are there. Those are all going to software. You have two options. One is software, another one is hardware. If you go for electronic city in Bangalore, tremendous opportunities available for ECE and EEE, not for software. Not only those, central government public sector jobs. There are so many jobs are available after completion of BTech. If you GATE is the all over India exam for engineering students. GATE is the after completion of BTech, GATE we have to qualify. Based on your GATE, some central government directly recruitment under ministries. Suppose if you go for MTPC, is a central GATE, say Steel Authority of India Limited. For this, eligibility will be only for ECE and EEE students. ECE branch or EEE branch only you study. Then only you can enter to MTPC or GATE, say Steel Authority of India Limited. Not only this, central government based jobs across the India, you are eligible only for this CST student, those who are studying computer science engineering, they don't have this option. Is it right? That is the requirement. That is the good chance for AAA and EC students. After completion of BTech, you can either join in a software. After completion of BTech, you can join in Bangalore one software course, Java developer, Informatica developer. Here we are using data warehousing concept, Oracle, and Informatica, Power Center. 3 concepts. Again we have to learn because we does not study it in BTech. Whatever we studied basics only. Okay. Again we have to do courses. Then CSE student after completion of BTech they will go to software. After that training will be taken. The training will be taken by the student in some courses. You also may take training. CSE student can be able to write the program in 2 pages. But EC and AAA student, they are studying different matters, different knowledge may be helpful for to the program. He written in program in 1 page by using shortcuts because CSE students are studying about only programming. You are studying missions, you are studying circuits, you are studying amplifiers, you are studying antennas. So many things we are studying, not only software. They are concentrated on only software courses, software subjects only. If you go for CSE curriculum or syllabus, they are not studying. They are only depends on software. Because they want multi-talented people, not only software employees. Software employees are not came from CSE only. Multi-talent requires. Only CSE only only one purpose. Only one point is program 2 pages రాస్తారు. అదే ఈసీ వాళ్ళు కానీ ట్రిపుల్ వాళ్ళు కానీ మెకానికల్ వాళ్ళు కానీ సివిల్ వాళ్ళు కానీ ఎంటర్ అయితే డిఫరెంట్ థింకింగ్ విల్ బి దేర్ బికాస్ దేర్ మైండ్ మెచ్యూరిటీ విల్ బి డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ బీటెక్. బీటెక్ లో డిఫరెంట్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ అవుతారు, డిఫరెంట్ గా ఆలోచిస్తారు, డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటారు. మైండ్ మెంటాలిటీ విల్ బి ఇన్ ద సేమ్ క్లాస్ రూమ్. ఇఫ్ యూ సర్చ్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ స్టూడెంట్స్, దేర్ మైండ్ మెచ్యూరిటీ అండ్ మెంటాలిటీ విల్ బి డిఫరెంట్. That's why the software employees, software companies are looking forward to collect the students, to select the students, to recruit the students from different branches, not only CS. Because one example is, I told you Satya Nadella, who is the CEO of Microsoft, Google, Sundar Pichai. Is it right? The way how we are learning the BTech is important. Okay, discipline is the most important. Discipline. Day-to-day attending classes or learning the classes, learning the subject, not by hearting. Up to intermediate we did by hearting. Here nothing will be by hearting. We have to do practically. Up to intermediate you studied theoretically. Some experiments in physics and chemistry. But here you can do circuits. Circuits labs are there. Missions labs are there. And power electronics lab is there. You can go for power electronics job also, DC students and AAA students. There are a lot of opportunities are there after completion of BTech, not only software. Okay. Depends on your talent. Some persons build with the talent, nobody will build with talent. They are gaining the knowledge, after that they will become experts. Is it right? Huge opportunities are available for core branches. Okay, I will tell
in next class.
Actual subject is not subject. I am explaining about the branches, how they are, what are the opportunities. Okay. If you go for Infosys or HCL or Accenture or Vism, if you search their background, employees background, they are from different types, not only sales. They will recruit themselves. Suppose what we are gaining here in BTech is, what we are gaining BTech. 60% to 75% is enough for BTech. 65% to 75% are marks, enough. No need to get 90%, 99%, 80%. Enough is 60 to 75. This is the ticket for entering into campus recruitment drives. 60% in BTech, is enough. It is a ticket, like a ticket. If you have ticket, you can enter to theatre to watch the movie. If you have ticket like this, 60 to 75%, then you can enter into campus tour. You want to show, but by purchasing ticket, we are watching the movie, watching the show. But with this ticket, you can show your show. You can show your talent to the different employers. Okay. This is the ticket. What we have to do to gain this? Not only apart from this, we have to gain extracurricular activities also. They don't want subject knowledge only. Remaining, up to you are getting 70%. 70% is the distinction for BTech student. 75 is the distinction for previous year. For degree, ordinary degree, if you go for anywhere, 75 is the distinction. For diploma also, 75 is the distinction. For intermediate, I don't know what is the distinction. Percentage. What is the distinction percentage? For intermediate, they are not providing distinction, first class, all this. They are providing grades. We don't know. Okay. Grades are not available. Grades may be available. They are getting grades in the form of mark sheet. Marks also will come for BTech. Marks and percentage, overall pass, overall percentage, like that. If you join in 2021, when we will complete BTech? When we will complete BTech? 2025 to 26. You will complete. If you are not completed in 2025 to 26, 28 if you complete. 2 years increase because of your indisciplined manner. The software companies will look forward to your resume. You completed BTech in 2016. You mentioned that in your resume that is 2016, 2025, 26. You completed BTech in resume. But after selecting into software company, they will check background verification. Background verification they will. If you go for HCL, if you go for Cognizant, if you go for Infosys, you selected. You will enter. After that, they will check your background. Background verification, whether they studied regularly or not, whether they studied really 60% or 70%, whether the student belongs to that college or not. In college, they will ask, they will send a mail to the college, so and so student, ex-student having roll number, he studied in your college or not. They will send to the principal. Yes, ultimately they will send. But what are the certificates? If you want to show the certificates, in the certificates they mention that 2028, because of indiscipline of you passed the BTech entire subjects in 2028. They mentioned that in the certificate there will be date 2000 May 2028, but you mentioned in your resume 2025-26. In the year 2026, I completed BTech. But when you pass, completion of BTech is not a pass. When you pass the BTech, 2028, that will be there in the suppose one subject is there. All subjects are completed in BTech. One subject that is very difficult subject, it is a backlog, or 3 subjects are there. These 3 subjects, after completion of BTech, your all friends are gone out from the college. They left the college. After that, you are coming to the college to write the exam. These 3 subjects you take in time 2 years more. After that, your certificate, provisional certificate, PC, it may be 2028 if you got. But in your resume, you mentioned 4 years only BTech. If you mention 4 years only in your resume, yeah, this student is perfect student. He joined in 2021, completed in 25, 26. 25, 26, 21, 22 year you joined BTech. BTech first year, first sem will be started 2021, second sem will be ended in 22. Like that, final year, first sem, second sem will be ended in 2025, 26. I completed BTech in 2026. You resume la better, but background verification good. College phone chestadu, college certificates chustadu. The certificates, background verification will not done by software companies. Infosys can give consultancies out there. Some consultancies, background verification consultancies. They don't have time to verify your certificates, whether you studied in this college or not, whether you studied correctly, whether you studied in proper time, in time you completed. They won't check. They don't have time also. Software employees, the HR, team leaders, team managers, but software company employees don't have time. They won't check. Simply, BTech is completed. They give BCD companies, consultancies. They will check. They will say no. If you fail, you will be removed. You told in resume, you provided 2026, I passed with BTech. But when you got the certificate, 2028, the university given to you certificate. To avoid this, we must regularly attend the class, regularly study. To get the ticket, enter into, to start your show across the world. You can show across the world. Because engineering is universal. The language which you are studying is universal. Degree is local. If you go for BA Arts college, science colleges, you can see movies also. What is that movie? Sci movie. If you see Sci movie, the two groups are there. Arts college students and science college students, they are fighting each other. You know, it is a very nice movie. You are not like that. They will go across India only. After completion of degree, they will go to India only. But there is opportunity to you to go US. After completion of BTech, the software employees, software companies asking whether you have passport or not. Passport or not. Do you have passport or not? Yes, I have. Immediately they will send to abroad also. Their companies are there across the world. Your services may be there. If you go for America, 25 years onwards, some persons are sitting in America. They are living. 25 years onwards in software. They constructed their whole home, but they may be called as NRIs in India, non-resident Indians. They got a green card. They have voter card also in America. Green applies. If you search those persons, they are studied engineering. That means engineering is a universal. Universally you can go. At this moment, in America, England, London, if you go for anywhere, the students are sitting in the classes, they are reading, they are practicing, they are learning. At this moment, you are also sitting in the class. You have a competitor for England student, America student. Yes, sir, fine. They are sitting in the ECE classroom or EEE classroom, mechanical, whatever it is. They are learning some more subject. They are learning subject. It is the first year, hence we are giving some introduction only. If you go for second year, 2-1 or 2-2, 3-1, 3-2 like that, they are sitting in the classroom, they are listening, they are practicing in the laboratory also at this same moment. ఈ టైంలో అమెరికాలో కూడా ల్యాబ్లో చేస్తుంటారు. మీరు సెకండ్ ఇయర్లో ఉంటే సెకండ్ ఇయర్లో ఒక ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేస్తుంటారు. ఈ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ నేను ఒక్కనే చేస్తున్నాను అనుకోకూడదు. అంతే కదా, ఇంజనీర్ నేను ఒక్కనే చేస్తున్నాను అనుకోరు కదా. ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ నేను ఒక్కనే చేయట్లే, అమెరికాలో కూడా ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ సేమ్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేస్తుంటారు. బికాస్ సేమ్ సబ్జెక్ట్. ఇఫ్ యూ గో ఫర్ సి Java, in India Java is different. If you go for America, Java is different. No, it is universal. Oracle, SQL is there. Structured query language. In India, what is syllabus? Across the world, same syllabus. If you learn the computer is not only belongs to India. It works in America also. The same program, the same mouse, the same printer, the same language, the same everything. That's why it is universal. You can adopt universal engineering. Okay. That means you have to come regularly to the class and prepare regularly and beat the nation, beat the country, beat the world. Then only you will get job. After getting job, after earning the job, after 10 years, if you earn 1 crore, 2 crores, you can start a business. You can start your own software company. Is it right? The amount is made. Your parents' income may be increases. Your life style will be changes. Okay. Due to this, what you say? After completion of BTech, what you will do, everybody? Go to software company. After that, 5 years working. Not only software, there are some opportunities are there. If you get a government job, the persons with ladies, girl students, girl persons, your mom ఉన్నాడు సాఫ్ట్వేర్ జాబ్ వస్తే మొత్తం మాకు ఫోన్ చేసుకొని వస్తాం. సాఫ్ట్వేర్ జాబ్ ఏం లేదంటే అంతే కదా, మామూలుగా అలాగే చేస్తాం. job, government job వచ్చింది. Software job is intermittent. Daily we have to update. Monthly we have to update. Monthly, yearly, app also update. You know, in your mobile, on YouTube app, Facebook app, update is required. Why it is updating? There are so many features we are adding. We have to update. But in government job, once you got with the knowledge of computer, if you got all the government jobs, there is a lot of hard work is required to get a job. Government sector. It is a permanent job. You get pension also after retirement. But in software, you have to earn money, you have to do your own business. Is it right? That is the difference. There is an opportunity for you, software, either government, either hardware also. 3 opportunities are there for you only, the core branches students. Whereas CSE students have only one way. You have 3 ways. Why? Suppose you have 3 ways. Why I am telling this? After completion of BTech, you are not getting a software job. CSE students will sit in one training institute and learning. But after completion of BTech in EC or Sydney, you can go for electronics city and for electronics one company to join. After joining that company, 2 years, 8 working hours. For every company, 8 working hours only. 8 working hours, remaining 16 hours, you will spend time to learn the software course job. Software course jobs. Software course you can learn. Remaining 16 hours. In 16 hours, 8 hours you can go for sleeping. Remaining 8 hours for learning. You are working for 8 hours in electronics company. Is it right? Electronic company also they are utilizing software. If you go for mobile software company or if you go for any software, any electronic city lo any company get HTML software work. Everywhere software is there. Okay. After completion of BTech, if you go for a company, for 2 years you are working in the company, you are getting the money, you are sending the money to your parents. After completion of BTech. That 2 years you are learning another course. You have 16 more hours. After learning this course, after 2 years you can enter the software. But 2 years is sitting in only this student. CSE student can sit in only software training institute. You have a job just to software network. అప్పుడు ఎవరైనా 2 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఉంటుంది. సపోజ్ Crompton Cruise is the electronics and electrical company, manufacturing company. You can do the job in Crompton Cruise. There is also software. Okay. You are doing the job in Crompton Cruise. Fans also manufactured in Crompton Cruise. Motors. Different electronic circuit. TVs also. LG company also you can join. You are getting 2 years experience in LG or Crompton Cruise, LG company. 2 years experience నీకు వస్తుంది ప్లస్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ వెళ్ళే ఛాన్స్ కూడా ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే ఎల్జీలో సాఫ్ట్వేర్ వాడుతున్నాం. Yes, I am working in LG company for past 2 years. Now I am working on a Python programming or Java developer. Because in our company we are using Java. In that I work. You can take it. But there is no option for CSE student. That is the drawback for CSE. Okay. These are the opportunities for engineering students.